First signs that a young knee is heading towards a replacement.
Having sore knees, quadriceps pain, hamstrings pain, having a sound in your knees, it's okay once in a while. Knee zyada soreness hai that you have to take a painkiller. A 30 years man is not able to walk for 5 kilometers. It's not healthy because 30 years is very young.
पेन किलर्स पर ज्यादा डिपेंड होना कब तक खतरनाक है?
Painkillers are the leading cause of kidney damage. Few ladies will come to me and they will tell that even for going to kitchen and cooking, I have to take a painkiller.
What happens if a patient delays the surgery?
Problem और बढ़ जाएगी. They cannot walking once they are in the last stages of osteoarthritis. The pain will be massive. The commonest complaint what they will tell me is they can't sleep in the night.
सर्जरी के बाद कौन सा लाइफस्टाइल का चेंजेस वो लोग करना चाहिए?
We advise them not to sit on the floor, but they can drive the car, they can climb the stairs, they can do all the activities, but one step at a time. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि सर्जरी होके 1 month हो गया and then you want to go to Olympics or you want to go to running or you want to go to gym. No, body will take its own time in healing.
जो लोग ज्यादा अल्कोहल और स्मोकिंग करते हैं उन लोगों को बोन स्ट्रेंथ कम हो जाएगा?
Yes, निकोटीन होता है और जो अल्कोहल होता है that will absorb calcium from your bones. Bones weak होते हैं.
बहुत लोग बोलते हैं मिल्क पीने से कैल्शियम आएगा एंड बोन स्ट्रेंथ भी सही रहेगा. इज इट ट्रू?
See, everything goes hand in hand. Only if you drink milk, you're not exposing to sunlight, you're not taking enough protein, then your calcium and vitamin D won't be in check. You should also take milk.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू प्राइम टीवी हेल्थ. मैं हूँ भार्गवी. जस्ट अ फ्यू decades ago, knee replacement was something we associated with old age, with grandparents, retirements and worn out lives. But today, something is really changing. People in their 40s heading towards hospital needing new knee just to walk without pain. The big question is, are we aging faster? Are our knees breaking down earlier than before? To know all about this topic, we have a special guest with us. She's Dr. Taranum Sultana. Hi ma'am, how are you?
Hello, I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. Ma'am, why people in their 40s heading towards knee replacement?
Not exactly people in their 40s are heading towards knee replacements. In general, osteoarthritis incidence has been increased over past few years. We can't specifically tell this 40 age group, but we have seen there are specific indications when knee replacement has to be done in their 30s, in their 40s, in their 20s. 50 plus, yes, there is a natural degeneration which will be going on. But if suppose knee replacement is happening below 40, there are specific indications. It is not a natural degeneration. There are few conditions. Suppose if the patient is suffering from inflammatory arthritis, for example, if the patient has rheumatoid arthritis from a very long time, if the patient has any fracture, any trauma or any ACL injuries, the post-traumatic arthritis, in such patients, there is an indication for total hip replacement. The natural primary osteoarthritis we will see normally after 50 plus. So whatever is happening below 40, it is a secondary cause for the osteoarthritis. Reason could be inflammatory arthritis, जैसे कि rheumatoid arthritis है, और there are multiple autoimmune disorders and post-traumatic arthritis.
मैम, क्या ये नी आर्थराइटिस एक अर्बन डिसीज बनती जा रही है?
Yes, it is becoming an urban disease. Multiple reasons we have. Reasons like sedentary lifestyle. If you go in a room full of people, suppose a room full of people who are into the ITs or who are, doing jobs, if you ask them, majority of them, they will tell you work from home, or they will tell you our shift starts like odd hours mein shift hota hai and they have to sit for at least 10 to 12 hours in front of the system. Okay. Few of my friends who are working in IT, when I ask them what is their time schedule, they will tell ki sunrise ke time pe we will be taking system and sunset ke time pe we are logging off the system. So there is no activity left. They're just sitting at one place for hours and hours and they are just working or having a sedentary lifestyle. This is one of the commonest cause of osteoarthritis and obesity. The diet changes, the lifestyle changes have causing lot of obesity in our country, specifically South India, because we are more prone to eating a very rich carbohydrate diet rather than focusing on a protein diet. So these are one of the two commonest reasons in urban cities where people are going towards the early degeneration of the joints. that is the reason they are having knee arthritis.
आप बोल रहे हैं ना अभी ज़्यादा देर बैठने की वजह से घुटनों जल्दी खराब हो रहे हैं, क्या यह सच है?
नहीं, ज़्यादा बैठने की वजह से घुटने जल्दी खराब नहीं हो रहे. देर इज़ नो एक्टिविटी लेफ्ट. See, you're working 12 hours straight in front of the system, absolutely doing no work, just sitting on the system working or having a sedentary lifestyle. There is no movement in your joints. In that conditions, you will develop stiffness of the joints. In that conditions, when there is no mobility in your natural joints, you will tend to have degeneration. So osteoarthritis has become rampant in urban cities because there is sedentary lifestyle, there is obesity, there is a very bad diet. Because how, you tell me, very often we are just dependent totally on Swiggy and Zomato. Are we eating any organic or home cooked meal? Very, very less we are going for these kind of meals. And this, whatever we are ordering online, it is full of adulteration. So we are not taking proper diet, we are not exercising properly, there is no activity left. These all causes contribute to the osteoarthritis. The myth is ज़्यादा बैठने से नहीं होता है, but activity ही नहीं है. If you see in Western countries, they have a proper plan. If you go to their countries and if you visit, you see most of them walking. If you go to New York, if you go to Japan, if you go to China, you see people walking very happily. And I'll tell you, their work office will be at least 5 to 6 kilometers, basic. They will prefer to walk. But I'm not telling that US do not have osteoarthritis. They do have. Leading cause of osteoarthritis, leading cause of knee replacement, leading country having maximum amount of knee replacements is still America. But their lifestyle is comparatively better to what we are having right now. So they prefer to walk. So you tell me, where do we prefer to walk? Either we are taking cars, we are taking bikes. We have developed a new habit called Rapido these days. So there is very less mobility. There is very less exercise. My heart goes for the youngsters who don't like working out, who don't like going to gyms, who don't like having a strength training, because they prefer sedentary lifestyle. They prefer taking cell phones and sitting at one place for hours. These all conditions contribute to the arthritic changes what we are having in the knee joint.
So is obesity becoming the main reason for knee damage?
It's not the main reason, but it is the major cause of the knee arthritis, early degeneration, because there was a study in 2025 from a clinic in research was going on in one reputed hospital in America. They told that if you are increasing 5 kgs of your body weight, मतलब अगर आपका वजन 70 है और आप 75 kgs के हो चुके हैं, तो the pressure on your joints increases to nearly 70 to 80%. In a similar pattern, if you reduce your body weight to 5 kgs, the pressure on your joints reduces to 50%. So suppose an obese person is coming. Obese matlab, what is obesity? If the person is obesity, you have to calculate based on the patient's height and based on the patient's BMI. So if a 100 plus kg patient is coming to you in his 40s and he's having grade 2 or grade 3 osteoarthritis, understandable, because his body weight is too much, 100 kgs, and his height, basic Indian height 5'8" or 5'9" है, और patient 100 kgs का है, घुटनों पे तो ज़्यादा pressure पड़ रहा है, because knee joint is like the major weight bearing joint of the body. So yes, obesity is the cause, but it is not the commonest cause.
Okay. Are gyms and sports are the main reason for wear and tear in young people?
It is again a myth. It's not the cause. You need a proper technique to work out. I'll tell you the safest exercises you can do and which will not damage your knees is cycling, swimming, strength training, and the treadmill and all to some extent. Damage happens when you are over enthusiastic, when you're putting too much load on your joints, and when you're doing too much heavy weight lifting. You're going to gym, you're doing yoga, absolutely healthy. You're doing strength training, you're doing workouts, you're lifting dumbbells, barbells up to a specific weight, how much your body can tolerate, it is absolutely safe. So if you're doing this everything in the guidance of the trainer, it is safe, because the trainer knows the capacity of your body. Trainer will be knowing who is a beginner, who has been coming for a few duration, and who is an advanced person. So he knows how much the person can tolerate. If an XYZ patient is going to a gym over enthusiastically And see, there are few very good gyms in the city where you have trainer, and that trainer, even if there are 20 people around, he will concentrate on everyone, he or she. There are few gyms which they have opened only for marketing, only for youngsters to come, and there are no proper trainers. So youngsters, they will go, they will hit treadmill, they will think weight reduce करना है. Suppose एक 20-25 की एज का लड़का और लड़की जा रही है, and because they have been told repeatedly to reduce weight, or they are obese or anything, and they go and join a gym where they don't have any proper equipments and they don't have a proper trainer to guide them. They will go and they will do treadmill इतनी स्पीड में हाफ एन आवर करेंगे कि उनको ट्रेनर ही नहीं है समझने के लिए. They will, first of all, they will end up having ligament injuries, they will end up having muscle sprains. Knee damage is the last thing. First, they will end up having this ligament injuries and muscle sprain. So if you have a trainer will tell you for a beginning, this is your speed you have to do. Same thing goes with the strength training, because I hit out to gym every day. So my trainer knows what is my limit. In my initial days, he used to tell me, you first lift 2 kgs barbell. Now I can lift up to 10 kgs because I got used to it, my muscles got used to it. But as a beginner, suppose you are going and this is your first day in the gym, and you are over enthusiastically, you are seeing someone who is lifting a 15 kgs barbell. You try to lift that, forget about bones. First, you will injure your ligaments and bones. Yes. So, going to gym will not damage your knees if you have a proper technique and guidance. It will damage your knees if you are over enthusiastic. If you are doing treadmill straight away 2 hours, आप सोच रहे हो कि 2 घंटे treadmill मारूंगा और वजन कम हो जाएगा. No, you are doing heavy weight lifting. एक ही दिन में you are lifting a 20 kg barbell, then it will damage. Everything you have to do in moderation. That is why you have to go to a gyms which have a proper equipment and they also have a proper trainer. There are many good gyms in the city where they have a session of only 40 minutes because they know that your body can tolerate only for 40 minutes. And after that, they will let you cool down. And then if you want, you can go again. At a stage, they won't let you go for 2 or 3 hours. I think that kind of gyms you should join. And those gyms are very beneficial for your strength training, for your quadriceps strengthening, for your hamstring strengthening, overall for your weight reduction and being healthy. The gyms which do not have a proper equipment, the gyms which do not have a proper trainee, I think you should avoid such gyms. That will definitely damage your knees.
So what are the first signs that a young knee is heading towards a replacement?
After any activity, if the patient is having sore knees, suppose if a patient is doing some squats or lunges and patient is having quadriceps pain, hamstrings pain, any physical activity, that is one of the commonest cause. And few people will come and they will tell me कि घुटनों में से आवाज़ आ रही है, घुटनों में से sound आ रहा है. It is not always harmless, but it is not also harmful always. मतलब having a sound in your knees, it's okay once in a while because in your synovial fluid there will be gas bubbles that could be causing those crackling sounds and those sounds. But if you are having the symptoms like, activity करने के बाद इतनी ज़्यादा soreness है that you have to take a painkiller and you're not able to do an activity. A 30 years man is not able to walk for 5 kilometers. It's not healthy because 30 years is very young. And sound आ रहा है and you're not able to do full movement, you're not able to climb stairs regularly. मतलब commonest pain what the people after 50 will tell me is they're not able to sit on the floor. It's our cultural habit that we squat. Let it be for eating, let it be for praying, or let it be for doing any activities. Even women in our house, they are habituated of sitting on the floor and cutting the vegetables or doing their household chores. 50 plus when they are having this complaints, yes, because their knees are degenerating. What is osteoarthritis? It is an age-related degeneration. It's a natural phenomena. But below 40, someone is coming with these problems, then you should evaluate further and know their lifestyle first. The commonest cause will be sedentary lifestyle. A young boy, a 20-30 years boy, he's sitting on the sofa and continuously watching the cell phone, is on the system and there is no activity, and suddenly some of them will go to farmhouse or do something and they will do few activities, they are having pain. Then we have to think about it because they will have weaker bones and there is no muscle strength.
और आप बोल रहे थे ना रनिंग करने से ऐसे घुटनों का पेन आती है, क्या ज़्यादा लोग बोलते हैं सीढ़ी चढ़ने से भी पेन आता है ना, सो इज़ दैट अ सीरियस साइन?
Below 40, yes. Below 40, I think below 40 and 30, आप once in a while सीढ़ी चढ़ उतर रहे हैं, आपको पेन आ रहा है, तो you have to think about it, because climbing stairs in our country is very common. Not everybody will have lifts. There are very few hospitals or there are very few buildings which have lifts. Otherwise, you have to climb stairs. मैं ऐसे नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि यहाँ से डायरेक्टली फर्स्ट से 5th फ्लोर चढ़ रहे हो तो दर्द नहीं होना चाहिए. इवन आई विल गेट पेन. बट सपोज इफ अ पर्सन इज climbing only 1 or 1st or 2nd floor and he is experiencing pain, then he has to think.
पेन किलर्स पर ज़्यादा डिपेंड होना कब तक खतरनाक है?
See, पेन किलर्स पे तो कभी भी डिपेंड नहीं होना चाहिए. पेन किलर्स आर द NSAIDs are the leading cause of kidney damage. So, and our people abuse it. थोड़ा सा भी पेन है, they are taking it. So, the warning sign is, if you have to take a painkiller to do your activity of daily living, then it is dangerous. So, few patients will come to me and they will tell me, बिल्कुल भी काम नहीं हो रहा है. Few ladies will come to me and they will tell that even for going to kitchen and cooking, I have to take a painkiller. That is not a good sign. That means you have to evaluate yourself. Why are you having that much pain? They will tell me that they can't stand in the kitchen for at least 15 to 20 minutes and they can cook. They will tell that we have to take a painkiller after we do our household chores. So for that kind of people, you have to evaluate. They are totally medications dependent. So that we have to cut down.
Okay, and how do doctors decide when someone is young but they still need a replacement?
That's what I'm telling you. First, there are 4 or 5 signs which will decide if you need knee replacement or not. So first, if a patient comes to me, suppose a 45-year-old female comes to me and she says that she's having pain in both her knees, and that duration we should know. What is the duration of the pain? 45 years and she's telling me she's having pain from last 3 years. So her pain started in her early 40s, which is very unusual. And she has been bearing that pain for last 2 years. Then my next question will be, how far are you able to walk? So she will tell me that I'm not able to even do the activities what I used to do previously at home. And then she will tell me, then again when I dig into the history, she will tell me I'm not able to sit on the floor, because in our culture it's very common that we sit on the floor. So she will tell me I'm not able to sit on the floor. Even now I think 70 to 80% of the households still have the Indian toilet system, which is very damaging to the knees. So they will tell me that they are not able to use the washroom, they are not able to pray. Commonest, again one more complaint will be, सीढ़ी चढ़ने और उतरने में बहुत ज़्यादा तकलीफ होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा stiffness feel होती है. A 45-year-old female with 2 years history, she's telling me these things, and I examine her, then I can see that there is a crepitus, there is a decreased range of motion in her knees. Then I will advise her X-ray after doing the clinical history. So X-rays they are basically staging. So we have a stage 1 to stage 4. Stage 1, there is a classification of Kellgren and Lawrence classification. So stage 1 se stage 4 in that X-ray I can evaluate. So I got for X-ray of this lady, 45 years, and she now has a grade 3 OA, which is slowly leading to a grade 4 OA. Grade 4 में क्या होता है? Grade 3, she will be having severe pain, she can't do anything. Grade 4, there will be deformity in her knees. So when a 45-year-old with a grade 3 OS is coming to me, there is no point in waiting to her. Pain, all these complaints are the indications for her to go for knee replacement. We can't wait in stage 3 and stage 4. Stage 3, stage 4 osteoarthritis needs a surgical treatment. Medical management won't work on.
So आप बोल रहे थे knee replacement, both knees can be replaced at the same time, like एक ही बार सर्जरी कर सकते हैं?
Yes, we can replace, because ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं होता है, दोनों घुटने इक्वली डैमेज हुए होते हैं, सिर्फ 19-20 का फ़र्क होता है. So if the patient is young, comparatively physically fit, there are no comorbidities. Comorbidities मतलब हमारे पास majority जो 50 प्लस होते हैं उनको या तो डायबिटीज़ होता है, या तो हाइपरटेंशन होता है, या तो कुछ हार्ट रिलेटेड एंजियो वगैरह हुआ होता है, या तो कुछ किडनी डैमेज हुआ होता है. तो वो सारे कोमॉर्बिडिटीज़ को मद्दे नज़र रखते हुए अगर एक 45 ईयर की फीमेल आ रही है, हु इज स्टिल इन हर साइकिल्स बाय द वे, बिकॉज मेनोपॉज स्टार्ट्स आफ्टर 50, वेरी रेयर after 45. So 45, she's telling me that her cycles are still, she's still having her regular menstrual cycle, but her knees are grade 3, which are slowly progressing to grade 4. There is no point in waiting. It's just that we are torturing the patient by giving medications and telling her to wait. This is not the indication. She has to go. She has to undergo. And it will give her massive relief after the knee replacement. So ऐसा नहीं है कि 40 years में, 30 years में, 20 years में नहीं कर सकते. उसके indications हैं. मैंने बोला था कि 40 के below के indications क्या है. वैसे ही अगर एक 45 year female आ रही है और उसके घुटने बिल्कुल लास्ट स्टेज में है, बट शी स्टिल अंडरगोइंग हर मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल, वी कैन गो अहेड.
What happens if a patient delays the surgery?
प्रॉब्लम और बढ़ जाएगी, डिफॉर्मिटी और बढ़ जाएगी, एंड देयर विल बी अ पॉइंट वेयर शी विल नॉट इवन एबल टू गेट अप फ्रॉम द बेड, walk and at least go to the washroom. They cannot walk once they are in the last stages of osteoarthritis. The pain will be massive. The commonest complaint what they will tell me is they can't sleep in the night.
Okay. Do younger patients have higher expectations from surgery?
Yes, they do. Because see, the implant life expectancy is only up to 15 to 20 years max. So suppose a 45-year-old male or female comes to me, but they have stage 3 and stage 4. अगर रुकने के लिए बोलेंगे भी तो कितना रुकने के लिए बोलेंगे? मैक्सिमम बोलेंगे 1 साल रुकेंगे. 1 साल में और प्रॉब्लम बढ़ जाएगी. Because even if you tell them to don't do the heavy activities, they will end up doing. So what happens? It is better not to encourage them more for, what I'm trying to say is, yes, they will have higher expectations. 45-year-old comes to me for knee replacement, stage 3, stage 4 OA, yes, I have to advise them for knee replacement. But the implant quality will be 15 to 20 years only. So suppose if they are alive till 70, there are chances that they may need revision surgeries. There are chances that implant quality may get worn out, and इम्प्लांट लूजनिंग हो सकता है, या फिर उसमें भी वेयर एंड टेयर होता है. इम्प्लांट की लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी होती है 15 टू 20 ईयर्स. तो हो सकता है कि वो अपने लेट 60s या 70s में फिर से आए तो उनको रिविजन करना पड़े. सो दैट इज़ वन डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ TKR इन यंग पीपल.
Is knee replacement is more complicated in younger people than older patients?
It's not complicated in young patients, but it is complicated in older patients, because older patients bone stock, bone quality get decreased. ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस होता है, बोन सॉफ्ट होते हैं. तो ओल्डर पेशेंट्स में बोन सॉफ्ट होने के वजह से शायद फेल्यूर के चांसेस ज़्यादा हो. लिगामेंट्स जो होते हैं पूरे लैक्स होते हैं, बोन की क्वालिटी ठीक से नहीं होती है. तो ओल्डर पेशेंट्स में हम बोल सकते हैं कि कॉम्प्लेक्स है. यंगर पेशेंट्स में उतना ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम आता नहीं है.
Can early knee arthritis can be reversed, or it's just slowdowns?
See, we can't reverse it. This is a commonest myth. Lot of people will come and they will ask कि अब ये जो घुटने हमारे जो घस जा रहे हैं वो फिर से नेचुरल अच्छे हो जाएंगे का? नहीं होंगे. ये एक नेचुरल प्रोसेस है. जैसे वी हैव ग्रेइंग ऑन आवर हेयर, वी हैव अ स्किन लूजनिंग. जैसे आप ओल्ड दिखने लगते हो वैसे घुटने भी एज होते हैं. You can't expect me to give you a medications where your knees will become of a 20-year-old. A 40, 45 or 50-year person cannot come and ask me, give me some medications जिसमें हमारे घुटने 20 साल के हो जाए. नहीं हो जाएंगे. जैसे आपको बालों में सफ़ेदी आ रही है, जैसे स्किन लूज हो रहा है, जैसे रिंकल्स आ रहे हैं, these are all signs of aging. So osteoarthritis also it's a sign of aging. It's a natural degenerative process. Of course, you can slow it down, but you can't reverse it.
Okay. What is the one habit that knees are destroying in youngsters? Just one habit, which is the main one.
Sedentary lifestyle. No activity at all. No exercise.
Are supplements like glucosamine is really useful, or it is just overrated?
This is actually a controversial question, because we don't have enough research and trials about glucosamine. But there are few papers which say that it can slow down. There can be some amount of cartilage healing when the knees are in your first and second stage. But when your knees are in the third and fourth stage, this glucosamine, chondroitin sulfate, the collagen, it won't work. Because there is no cartilage to heal or regenerate. What happens in third or fourth stage, there is more than 50% of the cartilage loss. So there is directly bone-to-bone contact. There is directly a bone-to-bone contact. Femur and tibia के बीच में direct contact होता है. There is no meniscus also, which usually helps in preventing it. It acts as a shock absorber. So in third and fourth stages of the knee, which are the advanced stages of osteoarthritis, there is more than 50% of the cartilage loss. So these glucosamine, chondroitin sulfate, hyaluronic acid, collagen, this all won't work on that advanced stages. There are few papers, and in my clinical experience also, patients who are in their first and second stage, they give good results. They tell that there is no pain, there is some decreased amount of pain, and they are able to do the routine activities previously before treatment जो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं वो कर सकते हैं. बट इससे जो है ऐसा मैजिकली कार्टिलेज रीजनरेशन तो नहीं होता, उसके इनफ ना ट्रायल्स है ना रिसर्च है.
ओके, क्या फिजियोथेरेपी से नी रिप्लेसमेंट सर्जरी लाइक डिले कर सकते हैं? नहीं तो पूरी तरह वी कैन ट्रीट विद just physiotherapy.
If the patient is in the stage 1 and 2, yes, of course, because physio such as strengthening the patient's quadriceps by making them do the static quadriceps exercises, strengthening their VMOs, strengthening their hamstrings, telling them to do the active knee range, you can delay the degeneration. मतलब जो first और second stage के knees में आते हैं उनको हम बोले, see this I'll tell you one thing, this osteoarthritis problem, you can't treat it purely with medications. There is a concept to call a diamond concept. You have to advise the patient to take a proper diet. There is something called diet modification, lifestyle modification, and then comes the medications. What is the commonest myth among our people is हम डॉक्टर के पास जाएंगे, हम medicines लेंगे और दर्द 100% कम होना है. नहीं होगा. If you only take purely medications, not me, the entire orthopedic society cannot treat you. You have to do the lifestyle modifications. You have to do the diet modifications. मतलब a 100 kg person is coming to me and telling me just with the medications decrease the pain. We can't. They have to reduce the weight. For that, they have to do diet modifications. They have to avoid all the sugary, oily diet. And then lifestyle modification. Lifestyle modification, once the knee degeneration has started, if the patient is in the second stage, what is a few lifestyle modifications you can do is avoid taking lot of stairs, avoid squatting, sitting on the floor, avoid using Indian toilets. So these habits will prevent them in the early degeneration. And you have to do strength training. You have to encourage them to do cycling. It is beneficial. Encourage them to do swimming. Encourage them to do some activity. उसके साथ में medications will work. Purely medications won't work. And purely physiotherapy also will not work.
और क्या वुमेन में बोन वीकनेस का रिस्क ज़्यादा होता है, ये सच है?
Yes, it is. Because see, that is how God has created us. Women tend to be fragile. So that is how our bony structures are also. Our bones they're not very much weaker, but they are little weaker compared to men because their bone mass is different compared to us. For us, hormones play a very important role. So if you are below 50, मतलब जब तक आपका menopause नहीं होता है तब तक bones are okay. And one of the commonest disadvantage for women is when you keep having pregnancies, you don't replenish your body with the nutrients, with the vitamins, with the calcium, vitamin D. So that is a commonest cause because a new mom is so much physically exhausted in taking care of the child, she don't replenish her body. And most of the time women don't have spacing. They don't have enough spacing between their kids. So their body is not replenishing and then suddenly the old age hit. They haven't taken enough nutrition, enough multivitamins. So वैसे तो weaker bones है pregnancy के बाद और जब menopause हो जाएगा तब तो और भी weak हो जाएंगे. Because these hormones, specifically estrogen, plays an important role in maintaining your bone mass. So what happened in menopause? सारे hormones आपके नीचे गिर रहे हैं. Your estrogen and progesterone has hit an all-time low. And body is coping itself with this hormonal dip. So you will have lot of changes. The very first change what a woman will experience is joint pains.
Okay. यंगस्टर्स में, यंग पेशेंट्स में रिप्लेसमेंट के बाद कितना टाइम लगेगा वो क्यूर होने के लिए?
See, knee replacement, first of all, the myth what lot of people have it, बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि नी रिप्लेसमेंट के बाद इतने मंथ्स का हमको बेड रेस्ट लेना होगा. देयर इज नो बेड रेस्ट इन नी रिप्लेसमेंट. एटलीस्ट आई मेक माई पेशेंट्स वॉक आफ्टर 3 hours. सो it all depends on your willpower because there is no bed rest. early rehabilitation, early physiotherapy after surgery will give you a very good and painless results.
Okay, they can go to gym.
Not immediately after the surgery, but few months or a year, 1 or 2 years after the surgery, yes, they can go to gym.
सर्जरी के बाद कौन सा लाइफस्टाइल का चेंजेस वो लोग करना चाहिए?
Surgery के बाद lifestyle changes, we advise them not to sit on the floor. They can sit at the level of chair, but they can drive the car, they can climb the stairs, they can do all the activities, but one step at a time. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि सर्जरी होके 1 month हो गया and then you want to go to Olympics or you want to go to running or you want to go to gym. No, body will take its own time in healing, internal healing. So ideally you can get back to your normal self probably in a year or so.
How did this knee pain exactly affect your complete life? Someone's complete life.
See, commonest complaint what patients will give to me is they can't sleep in the night. So human body sleep is very important. In 2024, a scientist got a Nobel Prize in telling that रात की नींद ही beneficial है. There was a debate going on for a very long time where people told that any in your entire cycle in a day, कहीं पर भी आप 8 घंटे सो जाओ, it is enough. No. The scientist has researched and he got Nobel Prize for that, for just proving that night sleep is important. So if you sleep in the night, you'll be fresh in the day. You can work. So if you don't have that proper adequate sleep only, how will your day go? Your day won't be proper. You will not be able to do your activities. And your entire schedule get messed up.
मैम अगर 40 years में जो है उसको आप एक वार्निंग देना चाहेंगे तो वो क्या होगी वार्निंग?
वार्निंग ये होगी कि प्लीज़ डोंट बी सेडेंटरी. 40s आर द न्यू 20s. 40s मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि आप बूढ़े हो रहे हो. 40s आर द न्यू 20s. इट्स ऑल इन योर माइंड. So you need to have a proper diet, proper lifestyle and little activity, hitting yourself to gym, doing some walking, doing strength training, so then you can preserve your knees from damaging early.
Mobile phones are really causing neck and spine problems. Is that true?
Yes, I'm getting a lot of such cases.
Okay, आजकल ये problems किस एज ग्रुप वाले को ज़्यादा आ रही है? आपके पास ज़्यादा पेशेंट्स आते रहते हैं?
Teenagers.
Mostly teenagers
and then young adults who are working in the IT setups.
मैम ये एक मॉडर्न लाइफस्टाइल डिसीज बोल सकता है?
Neck pain
एंड नी रिप्लेसमेंट अभी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा केसेस ऐसे हो रहे हैं. देयर इज़ नो एज लिमिट. मोस्ट ऑल द एज ग्रुप्स आर गेटिंग नी प्रॉब्लम्स एंड बैक पेन प्रॉब्लम्स.
It's a modern problem. जितना ज़्यादा अर्बनाइजेशन हो रहा है उतना ज़्यादा कंफर्ट मिल रहा है हमको. So everything is at your doorstep. See, the Blinkit fellow will tell कि 5 minute में delivery करेगा. So you are not coming out of your comfort zone. Previously, at least in my childhood, I remember my mom taking me to vegetable market, buying vegetables, or my father taking me to buy some fruits, or taking me to a grocery store to buy something. But these days, what do we do if our kid asks us something? We will just open our cell phone and we'll order because it's a very easy and convenient option. So we are not just getting up from our chair, taking an effort, taking our kid out and buying something. So where is the activity left? That is the reason we are having all these problems. And commonest problem I will tell you what we are having is none of us are getting exposed to sunlight. Our work pattern is only as such कि सुबह before sunrise most of the people go out to their work and after sunset they are going back. So they are just staying in this one building for the entire day for 8 to 10 hours. So there is no sunlight exposure and you should know that's how much beneficial sunlight is. Sunlight gives you a natural vitamin D and calcium which will strengthen your bones. So in my practice what I'm seeing these days commonly IT professional teenagers because of the cell phone addiction and because IT professionals they don't have any other option so they have to work non-stop. They are having weaker bones. Their vitamin D levels are extremely low. Because they are not exposed their self to sunlight. So yes,
if you give advice to youngsters, how much time they have to spend at least in the morning in sunlight?
5 to 10 minutes. Morning 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. sunlight is very beneficial. A little 5-minute sunlight exposure will keep your day active.
Okay. So ये text neck बोल के है क्या होता है मैम actually?
Text neck, see I'll show you. See this is my cell phone. You constantly do like this, okay? If you're chatting with someone or you just open your Instagram and you're constantly seeing reel, You get one reel, you find it interesting, you keep on scrolling. Matlab, your neck is completely, constantly in flexion. And these things, commonly I have seen in teenagers. They are taking cell phones, they are watching reels continuously, at least an hour or so. Recently, a 16-year-old boy came to me with neck pain. So his mother was telling, kuch to bhi maar laga honga, kuch honga. Simply, I asked the boy one thing: how many hours a day are you using cell phone? So the boy, he told me, because they had a vacation recently, summer vacations the. So he told me 4 to 5 hours. Then I asked him at a stretch, and he's telling me at a stretch. And then I asked him one more thing: do you take your cell phone to bed in the night? He told yes. Then I asked him, after taking your cell phone to bed, उसके बाद कितने घंटों के बाद आप सोते हो? So then साइड से माँ बोल रही है कि ये सोता थोड़ी है, रात के 2-3 बजे तक he is watching TV, रात के 2-3 बजे तक he is in the phone. So just imagine if a boy has gone to sleep and at 11 o'clock he has taken cell phone and mother is telling till 2 or 3 o'clock he is not sleeping. That means he is constantly looking at the phone, constantly doing this, constantly watching reels. He has put his neck constantly in one position, constantly in flexion. So what will happen? Constantly putting in one posture will cause stiffness, spasm of the muscles. That is what this is text neck. Constantly putting your neck in flexion and constantly looking at smartphones or laptops or iPads will give you this thing.
Okay. जो लोग ज़्यादा अल्कोहल और स्मोकिंग करते हैं उन लोगों को बोन स्ट्रेंथ कम हो जाएगा.
Yes, because जो निकोटीन होता है और जो अल्कोहल होता है, that will absorb calcium from your bones. So that is how it will increase an osteoclastic activity. There is something called osteoclastic and osteoblastic activity. Osteoblastic मतलब ऐसे थोड़े चीज़ें होते हैं जो bone mass को increase करते हैं. One among them is the commonest hormone what all the women have before their menopause, estrogen. That is why the moment you have menopause, estrogen की कमी से bones weak होते हैं. So there are few dietary habits and few of your lifestyle things also जिससे bones weak होते हैं. Commonest among them is smoking and alcohol. Smoking, जिससे nicotine will absorb all the calcium from your bone. Alcohol will absorb all the calcium from your bone and it will make your bones weak.
Okay. Why do fractures happen more easily in some people?
Osteoporosis. Low bone mass and low calcium and vitamin D in your body will make your bones weak.
So what food genuinely builds strong muscle or strong bone strength?
Strong muscles and strong bones you should have. It's an entire circle. एक specific चीज़ से आपके bones strong नहीं होंगे, muscles strong नहीं होंगे. First thing, you need to have a good diet. You need to keep your weight in check. Obesity definitely will cause multiple problems. You need to take an organic diet. You should avoid oily, sugary items. And you should have some activity in your body. Muscle and strength training is very important for stronger bones as well.
And बहुत लोग बोलते हैं मिल्क पीने से कैल्शियम आएगा and bone strength भी सही रहेगा. Is it true or it's?
Yeah, it's partly true. See, everything goes hand in hand. Only if you drink milk, you're not exposing to sunlight, you're not taking enough protein, then your calcium and vitamin D won't be in check. You should also take milk, you should also take boiled eggs, you should also expose yourself to sunlight. You should also have some good activity.
Is there any patient story that completely changed your perspective?
Yeah, I had a very interesting case around 8-9 months ago. I have done one bilateral knee replacement in a woman who was 47. She was having rheumatoid arthritis from a very long duration. The interesting part was she was bedridden from last 10 years and she was not able to walk. She was wheelchair bound. Not bedridden exactly, she was wheelchair bound. She had no power, no strength in standing and walking. So she came to me with the hope that she will walk again. It was a challenging case, but I did it. I did bilateral total knee replacement to her. She's doing very good. Even recently she came to me. She's walking happily without crutches, without support. The woman who was wheelchair bound once 8 months ago is now walking normally and happily like us. So this inspired me in treating more joints. And she came to visit me to tell that she is going to America to meet her son because she thought that it was not possible for her ever. So that was an inspiring and challenging case for me.
Okay, what is your biggest fear before surgery?
Biggest fear is, I don't want the surgery to go his way. I want it to go exactly like it has to go. There are definitely complications intraoperatively, but we have to deal it. But my biggest fear always is bleeding. If I'm doing any surgery and there is bleeding, that scares me.
What makes your hospital stand out when it comes to patients' treatment?
I can say that Olive Hospital is very empathetic towards their patients. Our treatment is very affordable. Even the knee replacements, what we are doing it at a very affordable price. Apart from everything, I can say that we are very empathetic. We are very, we understand the patient's pain. So even though Olive is a corporate, it never functions like a corporate. It's very humble and it is like very affordable for the patients. Even a poorest of the poorest and even the richest of the richest will have the same treatment and they will feel the same way. There is no differentiation.
What advanced technologies and treatments available at your hospital?
Orthopedic wise, for diagnosing anything, we have an X-ray, we have a CT, we have MRI, we have an excellent team of radiologists who are just a step away and who guide us with all the doubts we are having. And surgeries wise, we are doing all the complex traumas, we are doing simple traumas, we are doing pediatric orthopedics, we are regularly doing joint replacements, arthroscopic surgeries, and any complex trauma.
Ma'am, thank you so much for giving your valuable time. जो हमारा यूजर्स है उसको सब पता चलेगा what exactly the knee problems they are facing. They have